Today, for many of us on the move, it's mobile first. And Microsoft 365 apps, be it Office or Teams or Outlook, is a norm enabling work anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Most of us are balancing multiple tasks on the move, balancing travel, customer engagements, internal meetings, and Copilots on the mobile come as a boon, boosting both efficiency and, more importantly, effectiveness. I have been a fan of Copilot of M365 since the day I got access to it. Today, Microsoft 365 mobile apps are supercharged with Copilot. This is truly my AI companion. Let me give you a sneak peek into how I use Copilot on my mobile device. When in transit, getting briefed for client meetings, attending back-to-back calls, and soon after. Let me showcase to you 3 of my favorite scenarios. The first is Teams. You'll all correlate there are times when meetings get extended and I'm a bit delayed to join a scheduled Teams meeting. I'm curious. I quickly query Copilot and I say, recap meeting so far. And that gets me up to speed on where we are. Post the meeting, I can click deep further with a prompt like, what questions still remain unresolved? And I ensure I provided targeted guidance to the team to unlock challenges. Second scenario is for Word. Often we receive a document for review. We are pressed for time and may not have all the time and details to go through the entire document, and definitely this is not easy to consume it on the mobile screen. Copilots help me get a quick summary of the document, guiding me with the right decisions, ensuring quality, agility for the larger team. And the last but not the least, the third one is on Outlook. Let's see how Copilot comes to life on Outlook on my mobile phone. We often get looped on long email communications and have limited time to go through the entire thread. Copilot quickly gets me up to speed through quick summarization prompt and also helps me to draft appropriate responses. These are my 3 favorite scenarios and a few examples of how I use Copilot effectively for Microsoft 365 and how I find myself a lot more effective during travel armed with Copilot on my handphone. Imagine getting things done with jet speed while jet setting across cities, enhancing productivity for every person on the move, from the shop floor or the top floor, and creating time and value for our customers. This to me is a true productivity multiplier for me, for you, your teams, and the entire organization.